Okay, kids, this is the last section of this chapter, section 4.4, and we're going to be solving two-step inequalities. And a two-step inequality is just like solving a two-step equation. So, for example, we've got 5x minus 4 is greater than or equal to 11. I'm just going to pretend in my head that this is an equal sign. And I'm only going to deal with this side of the equation, and I want to get the thing that's furthest away from the variable, which is x. I want to get rid of that first, or, your order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. We go backwards of that to solve the equations. So look at that, subtraction right there. We've got this. So we want to do the opposite, plus 4. Plus 4. And some of you are thinking that there's a negative here. We need to flip the sign. That's not with addition and subtraction. It's only with multiplication and division. So I'm going to have left over here 5x greater than or equal to, got 11 plus 4, 14. So now, what we did on the last assignment, opposite operation, divided by 5, divided by 5. Wait, I can't add. This is not 14. This is 15. So now I'm left with x greater than or equal to 3. And we all know how to graph this, but I will try to do it anyway. 3, something that's above it, something that's below it. It's equal to, solid dot, x is greater than, ta-da. Alrighty, next example is b over -3 plus 4 less than 13. Again, what is, only this side, what is the furthest thing, or take these backwards? I'm going to subtract 4 here and subtract 4 here, which leaves me with b over -3, and that is less than, and again, when you're adding and subtracting, that does not flip the signs. So 13 minus 4, let me see if I can do a better job of my subtraction with my addition and subtraction than last time. Now, to solve this, I'm going to multiply by a -3 over 1. And over here, -3 over 1, which this doesn't really matter here. So multiply. Now, since we're moving a negative away from here, this is when we are going to flip the sign. So what I'm left with here is b, and I flip the sign. And 9 times -3 is -27. Again, you want to graph. So the answer was -27, something above, something below. So it's going to be open circle, and b is greater than. There we go. Not too shabby. Here's something you should know how to do, and you'll remember it as soon as I do it, but I just thought I'd better point it out to you, is remember the distributive property, and we have to put the 7 in with the x and with the 3. So the way you would solve something like this would be -7 times x, -7x, -7 times a +3 is -21, less than or equal to 28. So see how we put that 7 in here first. Now we can start solving this. Again, we want to get the thing that's least attached to that variable, or backwards of your order of operations, which I know you all know. So plus 21 here and plus 21 here. So on this side, that leaves us with -7x less than or equal to, and then I've got 28 plus 21. That is 949. Okay, so now I am going to finish this off, and I am dividing by a negative, so I know that I'm going to flip my sign. I'm just going to go ahead and take care of that right here. And divided by -7. So x is greater than or equal to -7. And then when I graph that, there's -7. I'm going to put 1 above. I'm going to put 1 below. And it's equal to, so a solid dot. And it's greater than, so there we go.